Hey everybody, we are at the 2025 Milwaukee Media Event.
Yeah, they call it Pipeline. There's over 100 different products that we're going to get our hands on and show you guys.
Yeah, we're going to show you some stuff. Hey everybody, I'm at the Milwaukee Media Event 2025. I'm here with Ryan and we're going to talk about the next gen BackPack blower, BackPack vacuum. Ryan,
yep.
Thanks for having us, man.
Nice to meet you.
I got to tell you, I have this vacuum and there's some pain points for me.
Absolutely.
On it. Walk me through what you improved, why you improved it, and where we're at with this new guy.
Yeah, so one of the main frustrations of our first generation BackPack vacuum is how fast that filter clogs.
Yeah.
So what we did was we added an integrated debris separator to the tool.
Really?
So that's going to in turn give us 3.5 times more debris pickup than our previous gen.
Is that an example of 3.5 times?
Yep, so that's what it looks like in application.
Okay.
This gives us that high sustained suction and longest filter life that our users are looking for.
Okay. So tell me, is that it right there? Is that
So this is the filter.
Okay.
Completely separate, which is another improvement from Gen 1. When you have to get rid of that tank, you have to fight through that filter. This one, they're completely separate.
Oh, there's your compartment right there. Yeah.
So right under here, if you want to check it out, is the debris separator.
Yep. Okay, yeah, I'll get a close-up of that after.
Awesome.
Okay, so that was one pain point, right?
Yep.
You'd have to fight through the filter to get to change it.
Absolutely.
What else have you changed? I see the tube, I see the...
We've increased the performance on this to 70 CFM. While increasing performance, we've also maintained that runtime at over 40 minutes of continuous cleaning.
Was this?
That was 55 CFM.
55 CFM, 70.
70, yep.
Very nice.
Yep, 55 inches of suction on this. And then finally, what we've really are proud about with this one is we've enhanced that 3-in-1 wear, hang, carry design. So instead of having to take off your BackPack shoulder straps on that current hook, right now, it's just easy access. So you can leave those straps on at all times.
Is that a built-in hook on the back, I see? Okay.
Yep. We've added a integrated tether remote. So when you are wearing it, you're allowed to have that full control over the backpack.
That was tough because you used to have to kind of
reach around,
flip back, or I would sometimes just put it on the ground, turn it on, and use it instead of.
So,
I like this.
So this can clip onto your strap as well as onto the tool here.
Is that an accessory, or does that come standard with the vacuum?
That comes with the vacuum.
That comes standard.
Yep.
Capacity about the same?
Yep, both 1 gallon.
But it will take 3 times more. Yep. All right, and then it looks like you improved a little bit of the padding.
Padding has gotten more improved, so giving that user that ultimate versatility and maximum comfort they're looking for when they're cleaning up those large areas.
What's this?
So this is our new ergonomic hand tool. So we have 5 newly designed accessories.
Okay.
This one, as well as the pivoting floor tool, I really wanted to highlight. This is really going to give that user that versatility and better cleaning experience.
Yeah, I mean, it's really maneuverable, right?
Yep.
I can literally go 90. So this is this piece right here?
Yep, that is.
And that stores, so you can just grab it? Okay.
And then that extension wand too.
Yeah, so the old one came with 2 different lengths, or you could get 2 different lengths.
So what you can do here is just extend it out.
Yeah.
And then you got that wand, so you don't need those 2 different lengths.
So you just use the same length.
Yep.
What is the length of hose that this is now? Like it's 3 feet to 4 feet, 3 feet to 5 feet?
Yep, it'll be the same as Gen 1.
Same as Gen 1, so you can still get...
We just have this new pivoting design. We've upgraded it, so it's going to be a lot more durable for you.
All right.
You want to try it out?
I definitely would like to try it out. Awesome. Yeah, let's do it. And this is mode?
Different mode selection.
Low, high, low and high.
Yep, max runtime, max power.
Okay. I like the 90.
Yeah.
Go 90 like this.
Then you can use that and just kind of push it down as well.
Yeah, I couldn't, it was hard to close. You see me, I gave up on it. I was like, Jesus. So just do that. That's better, yeah.
Easiest way to do it.
That was really fun using the vacuum. I really like how the nozzle can go 90, like going up the stairs, go left, go right, get against the wall. It's really great. What's the price point on this?
So this is going to be $349. It is now shipping. So
$349.
go pick one up.
Nice. Thank you so much for having us. I really appreciate it. This is great. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks, guys.
Well, that's a wrap. What'd you think?
That was great. It was a lot of red, a lot of fun.
Yeah, innovation, passion. It was a good time.